you can see, my slime is sticky. I mean. As you can see, it's already getting on my body. It's already starting to get on my hand. Okay. So as you can see, I am trying to make a bubble, right? So here we go. I'm stretching it out, and then boom. There we go. And then you just start popping bubbles. Okay. That is the end of my video. And if you want to, you can do this. See? You can see now it looks like a pancake. And you can surprise your friends saying you can make a pancake, and here it is. A flattened out slime. Just to play a trick on your friends. Okay. And if you want to make a bubble, look, just put your thumb in, take it out, you can see there's a hole in it now. Then just make it bigger and then blow on it. But mine keep popping before I can blow on it. And then just squeeze it and it'll start popping. And that's it for the video. And that's it for the video.